Things like the football kits are horrendous. Not bad prices. Everywhere's cheap. It's not like you have to search for the cheap places. They're just in your face. Every other bar, cheap food. Every other bar, cheap drinks. Hola, mate. Maybe tomorrow. God, this is nuts. Like every single restaurant is packed. Outside, inside. Look, I'm cooking them steaks.
Unreal, isn't it?
Yeah, we came here for Valentine's last year. Absolutely loved it. Hello, mate. We've already had tonight, but maybe another night. Thank you. But what time is it now? Anyone? So it's 8 o'clock. It's still light. And most restaurants are absolutely packed. Oh, all right. It's a bit more awkward with the camera this way because that's where the sun's setting. Hello, mate. You all right? Look, just because I haven't shown you it at this time of night, I'm going to go across to the beach and show you over here as well. 8 o'clock at night. Beautiful. You know, you could still sunbathe at this time of night. Starting to fill up over there at Shenanigans, big Irish bar outside. Most of the places, honestly, are just busy resort, and it's hot all year round, and it's open 12 months of the year. Can't wait to revisit Lanzarote. Michelle, do you want your hair braided? Yeah, Corey, do you want yours done? Hey? The hippo? Yeah, he means right all the way down the other end. You know, bit on the hand, the other one. This is where we were earlier for breakfast, Port Omar. Overcooked my eggs. Come on. Are you alright? You alright, mate? I was in this morning for breakfast.
Yeah. For lunch again?
Just had a Chinese buffet, mate. Sorry, maybe next time. Good, mate.
No way, I give you 2 free kids.
Oh, mate, we've just thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi.
Fantastico.
They have breakfast.
Hello, mate. All right.
How are you?
Good, thank you. But it can look busy. All right, mate. T-bone steak, €23.50. Not bad prices. Everywhere's cheap. It's not like you have to search for the cheap places. They're just in your face. Every other bar, cheap food. Every other bar, cheap drinks. Hola, mate. Maybe tomorrow. Crepes over there, crepe stall.
Guys, karaoke. 50 prime brew, free shot.
And the other thing as well, things like inflatables like this, so much cheaper than Turkey, but things like the football kits are horrendous. So things like the football kits, stay away from, very costly, look nothing like the real ones. So if you're coming for clothes, I wouldn't really bother. If you're coming for food and drink and sunshine, perfect. Indian aroma. Thank you very much, mate. Hello, mate. All right. Thank you very much, mate. Hola, mate.
Yeah, no, my man.
Good, thank you, mate. You. Look at this, another one. Just everywhere's packed. Every restaurant busy. So we're just walking down towards Murphy's Irish pub now. The sun is setting, and hopefully you enjoyed this YouTube video. I'll catch you on the next one. How do you, mate? All right.
Yeah, all good.
Another Chinese buffet. How much is this one again?
From 12.95.
12.95. 5.95 kids.
You have all that's food. Look, boss. You have all that's food and ice cream from 12.95.
Perfect, mate. Just up there. Gracias. Hello, you alright? I'm getting you one, man. You alright? Live tonight from 10 PM, John Gold. Whoa. Whoa, is that a new bar? Oh yeah. The kebab factory, new. Maybe we need a kebab. And then the new Irish bar, Temple Bar right there as well. Hello mate, hello.
George.
How do you, mate? Alright.
What's the story?
It looks like Bluebell's is open now. It wasn't when I checked the other day.
No, thank you.
Hola.
Hola mate, you alright?
Familia, ¿todo bien?
Bien. Right, now let's go and find this teddy for Ted. Or this toy. Look at them, $1.99, cheap them. Look.
That's not a hippo.
It's not a hippo. What about a tiger instead?
So that for me is the best €1 I've ever spent. Get up there. Rochelle got some of these earrings, €1 as well. Corey got a ball for €8. Shops are really cheap, you know. Hats, €10, magnets, wristbands, €2, €1 fans. But for me, the bargain of the day is these. So apparently these are only inside. They're only tape measures. I don't know how true that is. But apparently these are tape measures. Open them up, take a look.
He's so cute.
And this is Mulligan's 2, Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote. Gracias, mate.
Gracias.
Mulligan 2. Alright. So, I've been here before, I've had food, I've had drinks in here when it's been busy on a night. You've got the stage area for live music. Tonight he said he's got a comedy act on as well, so families are welcome. Now I'm going to have one drink and then get my ass back outside. This is the sort of place where you can come on a night and you don't have a clue what time it is. Champagne, anyone?